we're going to work through a 10-minute stretch that you can do in the morning. My name's Erin, this is Valley, and we will get started right now. So, putting my timer on, sorry. Okay, so we can get started seated in an easy seated position on our mat. You want to pull the fleshy bits out, your sit bones actually make contact with the mat. And you can just sit up with a tall spine, have your belly in towards your spine. You can sit tall with your hands relaxed onto your knees, or you can have your hands facing up, whichever works better for you. It depends how you're feeling. If you want to feel more grounded, then you should hold your hands like this. And if you want to feel a little bit more energized, then you can hold your hands in receiving position. We'll start off with a short breathwork session. You can close your eyes, or you can take your gaze just down to the end of your nose or somewhere in front of you. You want to have a long, deep inhale. You can take your breath all the way down to your belly. You can inhale through the nose and exhale out of your mouth. Inhales are long, exhales are even longer. Bring a little bit of movement to our fingers and our wrists. You can extend the arms out, and then just take your right arm and take it over your body towards the left side. You want to drop your shoulder down so your shoulders are away from your ears. And then let's take it to the other side. And drop it again. Make sure you drop your shoulders down. Lovely. Now you can just do some shoulder rolls. Working slowly with your body. First thing in the morning. One way and then the other. Let's extend our arms out again and then bring your hands onto your shoulders and just start some circular movements with your elbows. Taking them one way and then the other. And shake out your hands. Life into them. And now extend both hands out to the side. Flatten your left arm. Take your right arm up over your head. And then let's take it to the other side. Giving a beautiful stretch through the side body. The other side again. And last time. We'll do a bit of twisting now. So inhale your arms up over your head, and then take your right hand to your left knee. And then you just want to use your left hand behind you. You can have your fingers tended or flat, whichever works better for you. And then inhale, and then slowly twist your spine. The last thing to twist is your neck looking over your shoulder. And let's come back to center. Take your arms up overhead. Left hand to right knee, and allowing your right arm to hold you from behind, support you. Twist and look behind you. And let's come back to center. We'll come onto our hands and knees now. We'll work through a few cat counts, awakening the spine. You want to make sure that your shoulders are directly over your wrists. Your hands are spread wide. Your toes can be flat with toenails on the mat, or your toes can be tucked, whichever is works better for your body. So inhale, look up, drop the belly, round, arch the spine, look up, and then as you exhale, round the spine, push through the shoulder blades. Inhale, look up, exhale, round. And last one, inhale, look up, and exhale, round. You can extend your left leg out behind you and extend your right arm out in front of you. And we'll do a few elbows to knees, curling in, curl the tiger. And let's take it to the other side. Extend the right leg behind you. Extend your left arm out. Linking your breath and your movement. And let's release back down. Take your knees about mat width apart. Have the big toes touching together. And then just drop down onto into a child's pose. You may need to support your head with your fists or a block. Otherwise, relax your head flat onto the mat. And let's come back up onto our bottoms. Extend your legs straight out in front of you. You can push into your hands. Have your hands next to your hips. Push into your hips. Flex your feet. Have the toes pointing towards you. Push away with your heels. Then inhale, arms up. And hold on to whatever you can hold on to. Getting a stretch through the full back body. This is a beautiful stretch. Apparently, it's one of the best poses in yoga. Drop your head. And let's release that. You can windshield wiper your legs from side to side. We're going to seated butterfly. So we take the soles of our feet, take your hands around your toes, sit up tall, and allow yourself to fall forward. When you've reached as far as you're going to go with a straight spine, then round your spine and allow your head to drop. You can be pushing down on your legs with your elbows. If that's not a problem for you, you can have the pinky toes touching and then open your feet up as if you're reading a book. And you can release that. Let's come back into our easy seated pose. We'll sit with a quiet meditation again. You can maybe take your hands to your heart and to your solar plexus. You can close your eyes, or you can drop your gaze. You may want to set an intention for the day. How do you want this day to be? Thank you so much for joining me again today. Have a beautiful day, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video.